Mark, uh, the first question is for those who aren't familiar, can you explain in simple terms what quantum computing is and how it's different from the computers we use today? Also, why should we care about this in cybersecurity?
So basically what quantum computing does, it allows you to compress from a size and a volume perspective and from a power usage perspective, the computational ability of your computing devices. So when you think of a normal computer, you have a bit, and that bit has two states, and that it's either a 1 or a 0. In quantum computing, you have what's called a qubit, and the qubit has quantum characteristics that allows it to have multiple states. And when everything comes down to a 1 or a 0 per bit, the qubit gives you much greater computational power, even though the algorithms are hence significantly more complicated. But for most of the people, what it means is a computer that takes this much size, you can compress into this much size. And so it's all about computational density. Quantum computing gives you a much higher computational density, which allows you to do more transactions faster.